Hello everyone, my name is Ling Ling. Today I will briefly introduce the background and research focus on Mr.Diy. After this, the video will show the store environment and I will explain everything through voiceover. Mr.Diy has grown from a single shop in 2005 to Malaysia's largest home improvement retailer. Its green, yellow storefront and white product range has become a familiar sight nationwide. Today, Malaysia's retail industry is rapidly digitalizing. Consumers expect convenient, fast service and seamless online to offline shopping. With over 17,000 products, Mr.Diy face challenges in inventory management, store operation, and meeting rising customer expectations. To stay competitive, retailers are adopting technology like data analytics, automation, IoT, and cashless payment. Mr.Diy is also expanding into omni-channel retail with its online platform. At the same time, Industry 5.0 emphasizes human-centric service, ensuring technologies enhance customer experience rather than replacing it. This study explores Mr.Diy challenges its use of smart retail technologies and how strategic innovation can help the company create new value in the digital era. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ling, and today I will be briefly explain the background of IR 4.0 and the type of IR 4.0.
Okay, now let us know about the Industry 4.0. The Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution. It connects the physical and digital worlds using technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, automation, and big data analytics. This technology allows business to collect real-time data, analyze patterns, and automate the decision and operate faster and smarter than ever. To understand how Industry 4.0 began, let's look at the evolution of each industrial revolution. Industry 1.0 introduced steam power and basic machines that replaced the manual labor. Industry 2.0 brought electricity and mass production, especially through assembly lines. Industry 3.0 improved efficiency further by using electronic, computers, and automation. And today, Industry 4.0 connects all machine, system, and data into a smart, intelligent, and data-driven ecosystem. Why Mr.Diy needs Industry 4.0? Mr.Diy carries thousands of products and operates many branches across Malaysia, which made their operation very complex. When they rely only on manual work, the process becomes slow, inconsistent, and often inaccurate. By using IoT technology, Mr.Diy can monitor and track stock level in real time across all outlets. With the help of AI and data analytics, they can also predict customer demand more accurately and plan their stock efficiently. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 helped Mr.Diy improve accuracy, speed, and customer experience. It's important for them to stay competitive in today's smart retail environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fidawi Muzlan and I will be sharing how Mr.Diy using Industry 4.0 technology to stay competitive in today's fast-changing retail world. With strong pressure from e-commerce and its customer wanting faster, more personalized service, Mr.Diy is adopting innovation like IoT, AI, big data and automation, and even blockchain. By using IoT sensor, the company can monitor stock level in real time and restock shelves automatically, ensuring that customers always find that they need. AI and machine learning help personalize promotion based on customer buying behavior, making the shopping experience more relevant and engaging. Big data analytics allow Mr.Diy to understand customer movement and purchase patterns so they can improve store layout and boost cross-selling. At the backend, automation and robotic make warehouse operation faster and error-free. Will blockchain improve transparency by tracking product origin throughout the support chain? Another This technology helps Mr. DIY improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and stay ahead in the detail-driven market. Thank you.
My name is Andio and I'll continue for Industry 5.0. Industry 5.0 encourages humans and intelligent machines to work together. Machines provide precision and speed, while humans contribute judgment, empathy, and creativity. Examples include cobots guiding customers in store or helping carry heavy items. So for Mr. DIY can apply Industry 5.0 in many impactful ways, such as AI-supported customer service, cobots for store navigation, smart energy management, digital twin supply chain tracking, drones or robots for inventory. All of these innovations improve customer experience, sustainability, and operational resilience. To strengthen the human-centric aspect, I propose a concept called Mr. DIY Smart Plus. This will be an upgraded loyalty and engagement platform designed to create a personalized shopping experience for customers. Under this proposal, the Smart Plus app could offer personalized product recommendations, give targeted promotion based on customer behavior, streamline returns and warranty management, and include a digital wallet for faster checkout. These suggestions reflect the Industry 5.0 principle of human-machine co-creation, where technology enhances the customer relationship rather than replacing human interactions. It will also help Mr. DIY build stronger loyalty, improve customer insights, and support more resilient and adaptive business planning. In conclusion, Industry 5.0 provides a powerful roadmap for Mr. DIY to become more human-centered, sustainable, and resilient. By combining technology with human strengths and through innovations such as our proposed Smart Plus system, Mr. DIY can evolve into a future-ready, customer-focused retailer.
My name is Hui. Today we will explain how Industry 5.0 transforms modern retail with a focus on how its principles can be applied to Mr. DIY Malaysia. So, a little background of Industry 5.0. So, Industry 5.0 revolves from Industry 4.0 but adds a strong human, social, and environmental dimension. Its goal is to ensure technology serves people and the planet, not the other way around. For Mr. DIY, this means moving beyond cost efficiency to becoming a more sustainable, human-focused, and resilient retailer. So the first pillar is human centricity. Instead of replacing the workers, Industry 5.0 enhances them. Machines handle the repetitive and heavy tasks, while employees focus on creativity, problem-solving, and customer service. In Mr. DIY case, this could be implemented through an augmented DIY consultant system where staff use the AI tools to give personalized recommendations. The second pillar is sustainability. Industry 5.0 supports circular economy practices, energy efficiency, and environmentally friendly materials. For Mr. DIY, this could include expanding recycling programs, switching to sustainable product lines, and introducing IoT-based energy saving systems across the stores. The third pillar is resilience. This means designing operations that can survive shocks like pandemics or supply chain disruptions. At Mr. DIY, tools like AI forecasting and digital twins could help predict the delays and ensure product availability. Next, my friend will discuss about the human-machine co-creation.
Hi, my name is Mr.Diy and I will continue to present the eliminate and reduce component of a blue ocean strategy for Mr. DIY. When developing a blue ocean strategy for Mr. DIY, the company first needed to eliminate several key pain points in the traditional retail experience. One major issue was the long wait time at checkout counters, especially during peak hours. This consistently discouraged customers and reduced overall notification. Mr. DIY also needed to eliminate customer confusion when searching for products in their large stores, as unclear navigation often slowed down the shopping process. In addition, the company had to remove its dependence on outdated paper-based manual inventory checks, which were inefficient and added no value to the customer experience. By eliminating these obstacles, Mr. DIY could free up resources and create a foundation for a faster, more seamless, and intelligent retail journey. Next, Mr. DIY needed to simplify areas that were still necessary but could be made more efficient. This includes reducing the reliance on staff for basic tasks like answering simple location questions or manually scanning large carts of items. This task consumes time and limits how much staff can contribute to higher value work. The company also needed to reduce the use of generic mass promotions that fail to match customer needs or improve loyalty. By adopting digital tools such as self-checkout machines, smart self and data analytics, Mr.Diy can shift employees from routine tasks to more customer-focused roles. This helps reduce operational efficiencies while improving the shopping experience. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ho Hui, and now I will present for the raise and create part. For the first, Mr.Diy need to raise information visibility through real-time inventory updates and clearer self-level guidance. This reduces customer confusion and enhances the shopping confidence. Second, we will raise personalization using the Smart Plus AI system. Staff can provide more tailored recommendations aligned with Industry 5.0 human technology collaboration vision. For the third, Mr.Diy should raise operational reliability, ensuring the consistent stock availability and smoother the checkout processes. Research shows that reliability retail systems significantly improve customer trust. Next, we focus on what Mr.Diy should create to differentiate itself. For the first, the company can create a DIY knowledge hub using the digital and AR tutorial, turning the store into a learning space, not just a shopping space. And the second, we propose an AI-supported DIY consultants combining the staff expertise with AI insight to offer personalized project planning and product matching. Finally, the Mr.Diy can create a data-driven membership ecosystem offering the personalized tips, reminder, and gamify the challenges to strengthen the customer engagement. In short, this raise and create strategy help Mr.Diy move beyond price-based competition toward a smarter, more personalized and experience-driven retail environment. This is all for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Li Pei and I'm representing strategy roadmap for Mr.Diy Smart Retail Transformation.
This is the overall roadmap covering Year 1 to Year 5. It includes initiatives from Industry 4.0, Industry 5.0 and Blue Ocean Strategy, arranged across short, mid and long term. So first, in the short term, the focus is on fixing basic pain points in the customer journey. Mr.Diy can introduce smart checkout options like self-checkout and QR Pay to reduce queue time. They can also install IoT smart shelf to track stock in real time so customers won't face out-of-stock problems. And finally, the Mr.Diy apps can be improved with simple AI recommendation to personalized promotions. Next, for the midterm strategy, the goal is to enhance the in-store experience. Mr.Diy can deploy AR product exploration where customers scan items to see product info, tutorials, and comparison. They can also develop full omni-channel service like click and collect or smart locker pickup. During this stage, human AI customer service can be introduced, where staff use tablets to guide customers more effectively. Finally, in the long term, Mr.Diy moves towards a fully smart retail ecosystem. This includes standardizing smart store features across Malaysia, such as AI checkout, AR guidance, and IoT shelves. Mr.Diy can also apply AI demand forecasting and warehouse automation to make operation more efficient. And lastly, sustainability becomes a key focus with initiatives like paperless receipt and solar-powered stores. Overall, this roadmap creates a clear transition from basic digital upgrades to an enhanced customer experience and finally to a fully smart and sustainable retail ecosystem for DIY. Thank you.
And my name is Chow Mei Hui. Today I will be presenting about the risk and mitigation of the Mr.Diy. The first one is the operational risk, which is the unpredictable cost that which can lead to the demand on the stock that can lead to the inventory shortage. To prevent it, it can be implement the data-driven inventory forecasting system that can forecast how the stock needed in the future. And the second one is about the financial risk such as the operational expenses. They can negotiate the long-term supplier contract to stabilize their price of the product and also to reduce the cost. And the third one is about the technological risk, which is the potential system failure that may disrupt the point of sale, which is the revenue of the Mr.Diy company. And the next one is about the marketing and also the innovation strategy of the Mr.Diy. The first one is the unique customer segment that can include 3 races of our country, such as Malay, Chinese, and also the Indian. And second one is about improving the omnichannel presence, which is like upgrading their website that can provide a convenience to users to purchase their product. And this one can also as a means marketing strategy of the Mr.Diy company. And the third one is about their promotional strategy, which is they can having a promotion such as the voucher or also the product price reduced on the festival, the popular festivals such as the Hari Raya and also the nearby festivals such as the Christmas and also the Chinese New Year. And this one can be a good marketing strategy. If they can work with the influencer that can also stop it. Is about the promotional strategy, which the company can launch can provide a promotional such as the buy one free one and also the discount product in the festival like Hari Raya and also in Chinese New Year that can gain more customer and also gain more of their field. And the innovation strategy is the first one is about the product. They got a huge range of their products such as from the using product and also until the tools equipment. And the second one is about the store concept. They can set up an experience store for customer to use their product and to touch the product to feel the product how it's useful. And also the third one is about the sustainability, which is they will encourage the environment friendly product such as using the material that environment friendly and also reduce the usage of the plastic bag. That's all from my side.
Hi, my name is Mr.Diy. Now I will present the conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, this case study shows that Mr.Diy needs to shift from a traditional retail model to a more digital and customer-focused approach. By combining Industry 4.0 technologies like automation, data analytics, and AI with the human-centric value of Industry 4.0, Mr.Diy can improve efficiency, create smoother shopping experience, and stay competitive in Malaysia's fast-changing retail landscape. For the recommendation, Mr.Diy should start by rolling out key technologies such as self-checkout system, smart shelf, and real-time inventory management. Employees should also be upskilled to support more personalized customer services. The Smart Plus app can be strengthened with features like personalized suggestions and in-store navigation. Lastly, Mr.Diy can add more experiential elements such as Mr.Diy road shop or demonstrations, along with stronger sustainability initiatives. This step will help the company build more modern, engaging, and future-ready retail model. That's all.